Aya, wewe uko ready?
I'm ready.
Benny Blanco from the Bronx, Carbon White. I am right back with another football video, and yes, we are still continuing to look at the Kenya Premier League, the SportPesa Premier League, and my goodness, the weekend served us some sumptuous matches, and one of the match, of course, is for the record Premier League winners, Gor Mahia FC, who was facing up against Ulinzi Stars. At where? At Kasarani. Gor Mahia being the host of this matchup. And yes, this one, of course, it was one-way traffic. According to me, I just felt that Gor Mahia were going to win this matchup. And especially in the first half, if you watch the game, Gor Mahia had some really good chances, and they should have put some of those chances away. And of course they got their first goal courtesy of a corner, and for me that was lackluster goalkeeping, if you ask me, because how could the Ulinzi goalkeeper let that go in? It was really easy, an easy goal to concede. It was a clumsy goal to concede, and probably, if you ask me, it was a stupid goal to concede. So Gor Mahia went ahead, and at some point now, Ulinzi Stars equalized through a very interesting goal. It was one of those goals that you look at and you're proud to be a football fan. You're proud of Kenya as a footballing nation. Of course, we aren't that big of a football nation, but that was quite a good goal to watch. It was a wonderful strike from range, went far post, and the goalkeeper couldn't do anything about it. And of course, we have man like Webu with us here to look at. We have man like Webu here to look at that matchup, and we try and see how, from his perspective, what did he see? Webu, unatupata?
Nawapata tena loud and clear, man.
Yeah, so sijue.
Hii ndio ile game yenye inapata mtu by surprise. Unasikia surprise?
Yeah.
Because hiyo nilikuwa like, Gor Mahia are having this in the bag. Alafu especially na hiyo squad yenye wali put across. It was a very strong squad. That Felix Oluoch goal, as much as the goalkeeper ilikuwa lackluster, but pia huyu Felix Oluoch, hiyo ndio kazi yake aliyeko pale, kwa sababu huyu ni striker, bounce on whatever situation iko, and wali go ahead. Najua sasa venye wali go ahead, nikasema here we go. Ndio ile game yenye itaisha 5-0. Alafu pia ukiangalia form ya Ulinzi haijakuwa fiti. They have been losing matches left, right and center. So I was like, okay, alafu sasa pia kuna angalia vile watakuwa na new manager bounce, because sasa wako na new manager. They fired their old manager and they had a new manager. So ilikuwa a very interesting matchup. So first half happened when it happened. Then kidogo Ulinzi began to string some performances. Hizo performances venye walianza kujiweka, man like Boniface Mshiri akaonyesha why yeye anakuanga kwa Harambee Stars.
Yeah.
As much as anaitwanga Harambee Stars, hata kama sawa, hata kama timu yake ina perform vibaya. That was a very taken goal. That was a very wonderful build, and that was a very wonderful team, especially against a team of the caliber of Gor Mahia. And hiyo bao venye ilifungwa ikafungua game. At least game ikakuwa sasa ni twende nipe nikupe. But Gor Mahia were unlucky because they wasted a lot of chances. They lost a lot of chances, and it ended up being a 1-1 draw. It is good when I see pia Gor Mahia ikiweka breaks, tunasema ikiweka breaks. Hiyo team venye iko ikiamua iseme acha tutoe hizi handbrakes, watu watakimbia na hii ligi mapema.
Sasa
watakimbia na hii ligi mapema.
maybe unaona hata nani Austin Odhiambo alikuwa amesema ati from venye walikuwa na motivate team behind the scenes. I think ilikuwa after the previous match yenye walishinda, walikuwa wanacheza na kuna hiyo game yenye walishinda, alafu ni kama alikuwa amewaambia like from this moment going on hizi game zote zimebaki ni ushindi. So I don't know if that is the handbrakes you're talking about.
Yeah, you know handbrake when mna intimidate team, mnakuja mnasema this is an easy win for us. Alafu pia mnasahau bana, pia teams zikikuja against you pia wanataka kujiprove. Unajua there is one thing yenye pia hizi teams they have to know, when you are a big team and you are coming up against a team yenye iko na players wenye wako na hanga ya kuchezea their dream team is your team. You get me?
Yeah.
They want to prove like we deserve to be we deserve to be called to play for Gor Mahia. So when they come against Gor Mahia, they will do their best. They will do their best to find their way to some way, in way, shape or form, to find their way playing for Gor Mahia. So that is what teams like Gor Mahia, FC Leopards, they should be worry about. So see at tu kila game ukiangalia unaona this is just an easy win for us. But that is a platform for easy teams zingine, our players, easy teams zingine to showcase what they can do. Because when they do that against the best of the best in terms of when you're kwa hiyo team, yeah, they know they might one day play for that team. So hapo ndo niliona like Gor Mahia waliweka handbrake, waliona this is an easy win. Na wengine wakasema this is a do or die. So one is contemplating an easy win, another one is saying this is a do or die. Alafu unakuja unapata game inaishaje? Inaisha that way. See ati Ulinzi is a small team, but it is small in comparison to Gor Mahia.
So sasa
These people had to show like we are in this conversation, we can go toe to toe with you.
yeah, so
Umenipata?
nimekupata kabisa. So sasa that result ensured that Gor Mahia climbs to second place. Unanisikia? Yeah, nasema that result guaranteed Gor Mahia to go into second place, 1 point behind Kakamega Homeboys. Nasema that result ensured Gor Mahia goes into second place, 1 point behind Kakamega Homeboys, but of course a game in hand against them, sindio? Yeah, so it will be interesting to see how the results pan out. But of course, we will look at this in terms of a race when we talk about the final game of the match week 7. That is AFC Leopards against Mathare United. So keep it locked. So kindly like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we grow as a community. Until next time, bye bye.